Hey YouTubers, what's going on, guys and gals? It's good to see you. I have been getting so many questions. Speak and see 4506T form. I have to fill it out again. What's going on, Speak? Well, that's the same thing that's been going on since day one with these people. There's been a few different types and styles of 4506T forms that both will work and some will not, apparently. So what we're going to do is we're going to have another 4506T form video for you in case of those of you who have not had to fill it out yet. Have a place to go to fill one out, which is here. And those of you that have been trying to fill out the 4506T form but unsuccessful, we will go over that as well. Please like and subscribe to the content, and thanks for watching Speak and See. Also, go Bucks! How about them Bucks, baby? Yeah, right? Tampa Bay. Okay, there are two different forms that are eligible to use for the 4506T form. One of those is the March 2019 transcript, which you're seeing above my right ear over here, 4506T, March 2019. The other is the September 2018 4506T form. Both of these forms, which I will have posted down below in the link, will be fine to use. You can use either one of them as far as your loans grants go for the PPPs and EIDLs. Let's go into the September. The only difference with this that I have noticed is down here where you see in 5B customer file number applicable. There is no, you can't fill it out with the computer. You would have to fill that out with a pen. Up here where you see the year or period requested, notice that that part is already filled in already, where it shows the 12/31, 2019, and then the 2018, and then 2017. Well, that right there is not filled out in the March form, the March 2019 4506 form either. And if you have not filled out your 2020 taxes yet, then you will start there and fill this out the exact same way that you see it here, which is the 2019 to 2018, 12/31, and so on and so forth. But that's just for future reference of this video. Now we're going to go back to the form that we are going to use. We're going to actually use the 4506T March 2019 form because it has the fillable points right here. So here we go. This here, and this is we will just do a quick, easy. Here's what we're going to go through. Also, I will put below this instructions form for completing the I.R.S. authentication 4506T. And what it does is it goes through all of the instructions that you will need to fill out this form. So with that, there will be a link down below that says instructions for completing the 4506T, and you can click on that and it will take you to this document that you are seeing right here. Unless you just want to come back to the video and enlarge it, you can use this video as well for a reference to filling out your 4506T form. Back to where we were at. Okay, here we go. Name 1A, your individual name or your business name. So I'm just going to say Speak and See. And if you're John Doe or Jane Doe, there you go. You would be Speak and See or John Doe. Okay, and what's your social number or your tax EIN number? Okay, it's 555-55-5555. Okay, you would put that in right there, of course. If joint account, you would put Speak and See's wife or Jane Doe. You know what I'm saying. You get it. It's all very simple. And if she has a social or EIN that she uses for the business as well, you would put that there. Current address would be, you would put the current name of the address that you have on your tax forms. So 123 Main Street, Tampa, Florida, 33555. We'll just do that. Previous address, if on the tax return last filed, if different than line 3. So if it's the same address, you can just leave that blank. 5A, if the transcript or tax information is to be mailed to a third party, they're basically saying, where are you getting the loan? Who are you giving your information to? Who needs this information? In 5A, they're asking you who needs that. As I'm going to go ahead and show you what is already put here in the 5A business loan in the September edition of last year, U.S. Small Business Administration Office of Disaster Assistance. So what you're going to do is you're going to write this in there, or I'm just going to copy and paste it. You could put SBA/ODA. You could do that, or you could write the whole thing, Small Business Administration, Office of Disaster Assistance. Customer file number if applicable. See instructions. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your application number in 5B. So if your number was 555-555-5555, it will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit number. It would be the application number for your EIDL loan, the EIDL loan that you received in the first place. So if you did not receive an EIDL loan, you would have an SBA application out. If you have submitted one and got a denial or anything like that, they would still have given you an application number. You will use that, and you will put that number in 5B. Okay, and then down here we go into 6A, or number 6. First one here, transcript requested. You're going to put what transcript you use that you use for your taxes. Say you use the 1040. You will put, I use the 1040. That's the transcript that you are giving them information to go look at. Then we go down to the next one. And that's pretty much good for there. Now we're going to go down to the next one, which is number 6C, which is a record of account. And we check that. That gives them the next 3 years of our taxes. This is the one that's already marked in the other September edition. So, yep, we're just going to go ahead and mark that. The year or period requested, once again, I'm going to show you the September. This is what you're going to put, 12/31/2019. Then the next one you're going to put 12/31/18. Then the next one you're going to put 12/31/2017. So here we go. 12, oops, not 21, huh? 1, 31, 2019. Now, if you file taxes in 2020 already, or if you're getting this video, or if you're watching this later than after you have already filed your last taxes, put your most prior recent number there. So if you filed in 2020, or in the future, if you filed in 2021, you'd put that there, then put 2020 after that, then 20, and so on and so forth. And we're giving them 3 years of our taxes here. Basically, you're saying you can go look at my taxes for 3 years, but you can't go back any further unless you were to write the next one. Then they could go back for 4 years. So in the first one, we're going to put 2019. The second one, we're going to put 2018. The third one, we're going to put 2017. Or however that applies to you as far as what year you did. Okay, now for the signature. Okay, here's where you're going to have to click here. You're going to click that this I signatory attest to blah, blah, blah. He or she has read the attestation clause. Upon so reading, declares that he or she has authority to sign. So you're saying, yep, here, that's me, clicking it, and my phone number is 555-555-5555. You're going to put your phone number there. Now, here's the part where you're going to have to make sure that you're going to check the box and for the signatory attesting and hand sign and date the title for business owner. We can fill that in here. Owner, if you're a sole proprietor, just, all that. You should be putting owner here if you're a business owner. That's what this is for. Okay, and then up here, you cannot do, as you can see, you cannot fill that out. So you'll have to hand sign and date. Then you're going to scan it and save it as a high quality PDF, okay? The scans must be plainly readable and cannot have any blurring whatsoever, fading, darkening, folds, or discolorization. It's got to be a legit, a good looking scan here, okay? So please, you got to complete and sign. Okay guys, you not only have to sign the form, but in the example that I'm about to give you, I forgot to date the form. So make sure you sign and date in pen the form. Okay, so just put that in there real quick because I did forget, but make sure you sign and date the form. And then the requested information can be attached to the email that you're sending them and returned to pdcrecons@sba.gov. And that will do it for you. And I will give you an idea or show you how the signature and scan is being done as well. Okay, so now that we're there and we're down to the bottom line, here's what we do. We go ahead and we print this thing out. There we go. We're going to print it. Let's see if that kicks on. Go Bucks! Go Bucks! Okay. There we go. We've printed it. Now, I'm going to get the camera here. Get yourself a pen. Actually, let me get a pen. That was a pencil. Pen. Let me move my mug that I bought at Spencer's. And right here, signature of owner. That would be me. So I'm going to sign that. Boom, I signed it. And my wife is going to sign that one right there. I know how she signs her signature. It's nicer than mine. You sign that, okay? Then you will scan it. It'll print out 2 pages, but one of them is just instructions. Scan. Boop. Scan as PDF. Okay. Connecting. And if you do not have a scanner at your house, if you don't have a scanner, then you can take it to like a Staples or Office Depot, Kinko's if you've got those, and they can scan that for you. Okay. Now it's asking me if I want to scan another copy. No, I do not. So let me go and find my scanned copy. That's what they want to see, a non-fillable PDF with signatures on it. Hopefully this helped. Talk to you later. Bye. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah, video's over. I'm just checking myself out. I look good in the light here. Yeah. Go Bucks. Speak-and-see. Okay, so here we go, guys. As you can see this form. Oh, see that over there? It's got discolorization on it. They will not accept this form because of that. If there's anything wrong, such as discolorization or wrinkles or anything like that, they won't take it. So you got to make sure you have a really clean copy because I'm going to have to redo this one. You have just filed and finished a 4506T form. And hopefully this helps you all out. And once again, if they're asking you to do it once, they may be asking you to, hey, I'm going to need another 4506T form. Why do they keep asking that, you may wonder? Well, I believe that, and I'm pretty sure that if one person uses this 4506T form, another person needs to see it too. It doesn't give another business or another person the right. They can't hand this out to, somebody else cannot send your 4506T form to another business or lender. So if they may need multiple 4506T forms, sometimes for multiple lenders who need to take a look at it as well. So just do it. If you got to redo it and do it over again, you'll get better at it as you go. Trust me, I can do this thing in like 2 minutes now. So anyway, guys, hopefully this helps. It's real simple application. It's not too difficult, but you may be asked to fill this application out more than once. It's disheartening. It sucks because you're still waiting on your money, but we got to do what we got to do. Hopefully this video helps. If it did, please like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials and SBA, EIDL, loans, and grants information here on speaknsee. Guys, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye. And always remember, if you don't want to, if you can't scan it to your computer, you can always take this and just sign it by hand, put a stamp on an envelope, and ship it out to the SBA. I will leave that address down below as well.